Running a business in the St. Louis metro area means you need reliable indoor comfort, no matter the season. At Indoor Comfort Team, we specialize in commercial HVAC installation, repair, and maintenance to keep your workspace healthy and productive. From hot, humid summers to chilly winters, our team offers tailored solutions, including central AC systems, ductless heat pumps, and advanced indoor air quality products. We help you select the right system for your needs and provide expert installation for maximum efficiency. Well-maintained HVAC systems can boost productivity, reduce absences, and create a welcoming environment for your customers. If your equipment ever needs repair, our technicians respond quickly and service all makes and models to minimize downtime. With our biannual maintenance plans, you'll save on energy costs and avoid unexpected breakdowns. Since 1979, businesses have trusted us for quality service and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Contact Indoor Comfort Team today at 314-230-9542 for a free consultation and discover how we can help your business thrive.